Dear teachers, thank you for all your support you are extending for IQAC data compilation during this hour of crisis. And now I am forwarding this video so that you can submit all your pending criteria 2 and 3 data in the respective folders. And criteria regarding criteria 2, we need to get some more course plans, and also the mentoring diaries have to be completed in the prescribed format. And when we come to criteria 3, we need to get a lot of data, but all the data may not be available with all departments like research projects, research guideship, teachers with PhD. So whatever data you have, you please upload into respective folders. And this video will show you how you can upload your data to the respective folders. So I will just go to the mail which I am about to send now. So this is the mail I am sending along with this video. And in that mail, you can see this link. Please find the link to upload pending data required for criteria 2. And if you click on this, you will be reaching at a shared folder like this. And there, you can see a folder like criteria 2, CR2. And there, two folders are there, mentoring and this 2.4.2, this 3.2.3 like this. This is a combined template for the teachers with the PhD. So this is applicable, the teachers having PhD, please open this folder. And here you can see the data which we have already compiled. So we have prepared a list of teachers having PhD in our campus, but a mere list will not serve the purpose. We need to upload the certificates of the PhD certificates. And also if you have your PhD gradeship, we need to upload that data also. We have a combined template for this. So those who are having your PhD certificate and PhD gradeship, upload your certificate copies and the gradeship awarding letters into this folder. And then when you follow this link, here you can see down here, here you can see a document shared. Or if you follow this link, here you can see a document named as pending. And here we have created folders for collecting all your pending course plans. So if you click on a link, so economics department, if you are clicking on this link, directly you will be going to a folder where you can upload your corresponding pending course plans. You will go to the respective folders. It may be for a particular year, particular semester, and those pending course plans you can upload into that folder so that it will be easy for us to retrieve it. And then this is the folders for uploading your mentoring diary that we had circulated a handbook along with the format for preparing your mentoring diary, and those diaries can be uploaded through this link. So this is regarding criteria 2. Then the PhD certificates, if you want to upload through this link also, if you click, you will be going to the folder which I have shown you earlier. So there you can upload your PhD certificates. And when it comes to the criteria 3, please refer these question numbers. So these are the question numbers. And for example, 3.2.1 is research projects, 3.2.3 is PhD gradeship. So like this, we have around 9 questions to be collected from different departments regarding your research data. Then if you want to upload data for criteria 3, if you click on this folder, you will be directly going to a set of folders where we have created folders for each department. And if I select BBA, there you can see the data templates to be compiled for such criteria 3 information. So please refer the question numbers from here and you complete the corresponding data templates through by following this link. And all your supporting documents, because for criteria 3 we may not be having much supporting documents. So all your supporting documents you please scan and upload to this folder. So we will segregate as per the questions and we can attach to that. So all the supporting documents regarding your funded projects, your publication, your collaborative activities, proof, everything you can upload into this folder. Then whatever we have compiled, because over these years, at the end of every academic year, we were conducting a AAA audit and you were asked to submit data. And whatever you have submitted, we have compiled it for criteria 3. And you can have a look at the data we have compiled for criteria 3. And the problem with this information is we don't have much supporting data, because you might have given us an information like you have an MOU or you have a research project, and the information we have compiled it, and if we have a supporting document, we have provided to the link to such supporting documents. But as you can see, we don't have links to most of the supporting documents here. So these supporting documents are with the departments, and you please ensure that you are uploading the supporting documents for such claims you had made earlier. So please follow these instructions and submit your data for criteria 2 and 3, because in this special situation, we may not be able to meet physically and collect data, but considering the seriousness and importance of this particular situation of NAAC data collection, I request all your support to complete the data collection for these 2 criteria. Thank you.